hated to turn down that invite.
But you know what? You're needed here. When you have a big
Yes.
storm headed our way, you
Sorry,
can't take
Megan.
time off.
Exactly. Next time. Next, baby. Let's talk about this winter storm. It is headed our way very quickly, and by this time tomorrow, it is going to be snowing. Likely, it's going to be raining by this time tomorrow.
Right.
Actually, we're already going to have seen that changeover, but through most of the day tomorrow, we'll be dealing with the heavy snow, especially through the afternoon, and that's going to be the worst of the travel conditions between about noon and 5 tomorrow. If you can stay off the roads, I know it's easier said than done, but if you can stay off the roads, I would advise you to try and do so. Let's take a look outside right now. You can see up in the Poconos, they're taking advantage of the cold air. Came in today to make some man-made snow. Mother Nature will give them a couple of inches up there in the Poconos, but might as well lay down some fresh powder while you've got cold enough air to do it. Up at Big Boulder, the lights are on and the snow machines are working. It is certainly cold enough for that, with temperatures down around freezing in the city and in the 20s in the Poconos. A look at Storm Scan 3 shows just some clouds in place right now, but again, within the next 8 to 10 hours, we do expect snow to begin to overspread the area. Here it is right now, and what you want to take away from this system is just how moisture rich it is. Tons of rain, tons of snow, lots of moisture to work with, and we are going to be getting it both in the form of snow and rain. That changeover happening just about at the halfway point of the storm. So overnight clouds increase. It's cold and calm at 27 degrees. Tomorrow snow begins by mid-morning. It will continue through at least 5 o'clock, and then we start to see that wintry mix and an eventual changeover to rain. So just a quick look. Snow comes in and it snows at a good clip through the afternoon. Here's 3 p.m. Still snowing even pretty heavily down the shore. By 4 or 5 o'clock, though, it's a quick changeover. Here's 6 p.m. Change to rain in the city, rain in South Jersey and Delaware. Here's the chance for some freezing rain up in the far north suburbs and just that last gasp of snow up in the Poconos. 8 o'clock tomorrow night, it is still raining in the city. Chance for freezing rain here up in the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. Eventually it changes to plain rain everywhere. And at this time tomorrow night, here's 11 o'clock. We're talking heavy rain, and that may stick around right into the overnight hours before clearing out Thursday morning. By Thursday midday, look at this. The sun comes out. 2 p.m. Thursday, we're talking mid-50s with sunshine. It's going to feel like a completely different season that we went right from winter to spring on the back edge of this storm. So 8 to 11, snow overspreads the region. The heaviest of the snow is from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then that transition after 5 p.m., a changeover to rain. Before the changeover, we're talking about 2 to 4 inches across Philadelphia, nearby suburbs, the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos, most of South Jersey and Delaware. I think we could be toward the higher end in Philadelphia, closer to 3 or 4. 4 to 6 inches in just our western suburbs, upper Montgomery County, portions of Delaware, Newcastle, Chester counties, and back towards Berks County, upwards of 4 inches, plus possibly up to 1/10 of an inch of ice here up in the Lehigh Valley. So on the roads, the morning commute should be okay. Snow should hold off until just after the morning commute, but the red light for travel through the afternoon and right through the evening commute. It is going to be a mess out there with snow-covered roads and that messy wintry mix happening right about the time of the evening commute. Then a huge surge in temperatures. The rain tapers off. Thursday afternoon feels like springtime. It's going to be a big meltdown. So when you're talking about over an inch of rain, coupled with several inches of snow all melting at once, we may have to watch for some isolated flooding, and your yard will probably be a mud bath by Thursday or Friday.
We're going to get it all.